Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix picture password sign in option not available in your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your picture password sign in option is not available in your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on start menu, then type here group policy. You can see here edit group policy, just click on that. You need to expand this window. Guys, under local computer policy you will find computer configuration. In this you will find administrative templates. Just double click and expand that one. After that you will find system, double click and expand. After that you need to find log on. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here log on. Just click on log on. Come to the right section. Here you need to find turn on convenience pin sign in. You can see here turn on convenience pin sign in. Just double click on that. Or you can see edit policy. You can click on there also. If it is not configured, just click on enable and click on apply and click OK. After that you need to do another one thing. You can see turn off picture password sign in. Double click on this also and enable this option also. Click apply, click OK and close this window. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, you need to do another one setting. Just click on start menu, click on settings, in left section you can see here accounts. Click on the accounts. In right side you can see here sign in option. Click on that. Under additional setting you will find this option. For improved security, only allow Windows help sign in for Microsoft account on this device. If this option is enabled, you just need to disable this option. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix picture password sign in option not available in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.